What's going on, everybody? Calls here once again for PremierReviewer, and we have another video. You've seen the title, what we got going on. This is something that I've been looking forward to as soon as I heard it came out. I just had to wait a little longer than I probably wanted to, just so that I can oh, here we go. You see that? You see that? No. Let's do this. Let's unbox this bad boy. Okay. Oh. Well, would you look at that? We got the M4. You already the packaging. Okay, Apple. We have Mac Mini or Mac Mini. You get it. You get it. Let's open this guy up. Ooh, that was nice. Guys, my monitor's over there, so that's why I'm looking in that direction. Okay, ready? I don't see any documentation here. So we'll set this aside. And there she is. The Mac, the Mini, the M4, and it is very true what they say. This thing is super compact. Wow. This is the definition of a Mac Mini, for sure. This is it. This is the definition of it. We'll put this here. We have a power cable. As you guys see, we have our documentation. Designed by Apple in California. Ooh, yes. I like it. Obviously, we have the power button, which everybody's somehow complaining about, but nobody's really going to be turning off and on manually. That's not what these Macs are designed for. So once again, the internet strikes with stupid fury. Oh, that is nice. Toss that back there. So we're going to look at the ports. And we have two USB Thunderbolt. We have the indicator light here. So we have our USBs, USB-C. We have our indicator light right here, and then this looks like it for the headphone jack. And if we spin this around, we have ourselves the power, Ethernet. This is not the 10 gig Ethernet, HDMI, and our little hub here. And you have the beautiful logo. Well, the logo everybody knows. And that's it. So we're gonna power this guy on, get to the testing. This is the standard Mac Mini. This is the M4, the lowest tier, the $599 model. I bought this from Amazon. It was a little gift to myself. Believe it or not, I am using a trash can MacBook, not MacBook. I'm using a trash can Mac Pro, and it's pretty fun to have a machine that I've always wanted. I mean, when this thing first came out, it was a 2013 trash can, way out of my price range at the time. So when I came across it on eBay, I decided, why not? It was pretty good. I've been using it. I've edited some videos. Definitely not capable of what these machines are. So next best thing was to get this guy. I also have my custom PC back there, and it was a little long in the tooth, but it's still a workhorse believe it or not, I edited the last video that you guys just saw about the mixer with the PS5. But anyways, this is something I've been waiting for. Something that's affordable, and that's kind of hard to say because Mac is not known to be affordable, but the Mac Mini has always been an affordable line. But it has the kind of horsepower that, you know, delivers. You know, I'm not a full-time YouTuber and never was, but I definitely got into it and took a break from the channel, but we're back and we're gonna be doing some editing. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I actually post a lot of barber videos because I have an Instagram that's for that. But like I said, we're gonna be doing more content. So this is the Mac Mini M4. I'm looking forward to getting, you know, used to it before I do a full-on video, but this was just my experience, and the design is phenomenal. This really looks like an upgraded Apple TV, to be honest. So I'm interested to see if the hype is for real, and that's what we're gonna find out. So okay, so as you see, I am actually editing this video. As I was going through it, just wanted to give you an update because I didn't want to just be a boring unboxing. So far, this thing, just editing this video, it's obviously, you see it's 2-camera setup. Right here, you see it's a 2-camera setup. It's a multicam setup, and it's going through it no problem. First thing I did was add a little color correction, tiny little grade, not really nothing crazy, but oh my god, it's just flying through it. I'm really excited to see what the render times might be. It doesn't have to be nothing crazy, just something, you know, that keeps up. Yeah, guys, I'm really pumped up about this thing. It's it's pretty good for an entry-level Mac. This thing does way more than I thought it was gonna do. Anyways, as you guys see, as I spin you guys around, I'm thinking about doing a office tour. Let me know in the comments down below, especially if you got this far in the video, but let me know in the comments down below. I'm thinking about doing an office tour as my next video. It'll give me more testing with the Mac, see how it goes. But yeah, thinking about doing a office tour. Kind of got it, you know, the setup. I've gotten asked about it, so might as well put something together for you guys. Anyways, I'm not gonna take more of your time. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching these videos. I am gonna do my best to be as consistent as possible. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you want to see that office tour. See ya.